guys, welcome back to our channel. Guys, today I'm gonna start off with one of the Outre Perfect Hairline 13x6 frontal wigs, and she's called Bexley. I have her in the color DRFF2/ginger brown, and guys, she's 28 inches long. You guys know Outre give the links now, so it's 28 inches long. And let's just get into it, because this is one of the perfect hairlines, like I mentioned. So you do get a 13x6 frontal, so you can part it wherever you want to. You can part it to left, right, or center. You can do a little top knot if you want to. It's really up to you. Now, almost every time I review a 13x6, I always tell you guys, like, you can do whatever you want to. You can wear a top knot, you can put cornrow, you can put a zigzag part. I always say that, but I never do a zigzag part, right? So I saw that on the stock card, one of the styles has a zigzag part, so I was like, you know what, why not try the zigzag part for once? So I definitely did a zigzag part, and I think it turned out pretty good. It looks really nice, actually. I'm feeling this. I'm really feeling this wig, but for some reason it's still giving me Outre Katia vibes. And what's the other one called? It's Katia and another one that's really similar. No, we have this one, so it's like three of them that's really similar. And I think, if I'm not mistaken, it's the same collection, because I think Katia is the same collection, but it has the full scalp underneath it. But this one doesn't have a full scalp. This one is just a regular lace frontal. Okay, so you get 13 inches from ear to ear, 6 inches from front to back of lace where you can part it. So you really get a deep part right here. It's a deep enough part. It comes with baby hairs along the entire hairline, and the whole lace situation is HD. So you could go in with Ebin New York lace and spray to tint the lace, or your foundation, whatever you use to tint your lace. You can definitely do that. In terms of the cap, you get 2 combs up front, 1 at the back, the adjustable straps, and you have a stretchable an elastic band in the back. Okay, it's not an adjustable one, just a regular elastic band. The cap is regular, just plain old regular cap, but I would say that this is sliding back. It's definitely sliding back on my head. I have to keep pulling it forward, and that's because I did not glue my wig down. You guys know I do not glue my wigs down, and I don't like using combs either, so that's kind of the problem right here. Now my wig is sliding back, and I always forget to use my wig grip band, always, and it's literally right there. So if ever, like, if you guys don't like gluing your wigs down, or you know, take your wigs out too often and you don't want to glue it down, I would suggest you go with one of those anti-slip wig grip bands. I will try to remember to link it in the description box down below, just in case you're interested. But yeah, you can use one of those. But anyway, for the texture, you have a natural, somewhat of a natural, between natural yaki to light yaki hair texture. Really beautiful. Love the texture so much. And I did go in and add heat up top. It is heat safe up to 400 degrees. It changed the texture a little bit, but not much. Like, you can't really see so much of a difference in the texture, so that's pretty good as well. And in terms of like tangling and stuff, I got some tangling. Well, I shouldn't call it tangling. I got some snags, and I got some shedding, so keep that in mind. You will get some of those once you first brush it out and stuff like that. The hair is pretty long as well, so of course you'll get some shedding, well, and some snags here and there. But guys, let me know what you think about this one in the comment section down below. The color is really pretty. I think the style is really pretty as well. Depends on how you style it, and like I said, it's a 13x6 frontal, so you can style it however you want to, part it wherever you want to. Okay, so thank you guys so much for watching. I'll leave all the colors that it comes in the description box down below. I'll leave a link for you guys to go purchase, and all the products that I use in this video will be linked down below as well. So thank you again for watching. Like, subscribe, follow us on all our social media accounts. Everything is at WigTypes, and I'll definitely see you guys soon. Bye.